Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be testing a brand new mascara that's come out recently. That's really great about this mascara as well is that it is so affordable. It's by Essence, and as you can probably tell from the title, it's their new Volume Hero Mascara. So if you'd like to know what my first impressions and kind of review on this mascara is, then be sure to give the video a thumbs up and just keep watching. The packaging is pretty much just kind of like a light plastic, and this does retail for £3, which I think is incredible, but Essence is a very affordable brand anyway. A few of their mascaras and I think they're pretty good. This one has been well raved about. So where I work, they sell Essence, but I'd have a lot of customers asking me if I've tried this and what I think about it. So I heard it through them and I went out and got one for myself and I wanted to try it, and this was literally the last one on the shelf as well. So it must be good, or it must be very popular if it sold out very quickly. And like I said, this retails for £3, which is incredible, but Essence are kind of well known for kind of being so affordable. It is kind of hit or miss, but yeah, majority of the stuff I do quite like. So yeah, we're going to be testing this out today. Read it off the website, kind of what like the notes that it has. So obviously it's their Volume Hero Mascara. This is the black one, I don't know if I said that, but it says intensive power black results, guarantees extra volume, and it's got a large brush which emphasizes every lash. So it says the large brush is designed to reach every single lash, emphasizing lashes and providing breathtaking volume which lasts. Okay, so I'm going to be looking at that mainly, so I do want to see if it does last the whole day, if it crumbles, if it flakes and all that. So I'll show you what the brush looks like. Obviously I've never tried this before, this is the first time I've opened it. So that is what the brush looks like. It does just kind of look like a standard brush, but that's what it looks like anyway. I always curl my lashes. That's just something I do every day, so I've done that today. And zoom you in so you can see. I'm probably going to do maybe 2 coats. It doesn't like say in the directions how many is best to apply, but I'm gonna do probably 2 and see how that goes, because that's kind of how much I usually apply. Okay, so straight away that has added a lot of volume. I will say that, oh, that's added a lot of volume. Oh, look at that, wow. Ooh. So I will say that as I'm kind of applying this on the lashes, I feel like it is kind of tugging a little bit, and I feel like that's because of like the plasticky bristles, but you know what, it's £3, so who cares. I'm just gonna make sure that my lashes are coated properly. Okay, so that is what one coat of the mascara looks like. Obviously this is got no mascara on this eye, so you can see the clear difference. Wow. Reminded me of the Benefit, you know, the new Benefit one, well, it's not new anymore, but the Badgal Bang one. And I do have that as well, so I might like test them against each other one day and see which is good. Okay, that I really like. I'm gonna go in for a second coat, so this is the second time I'm dipping it in. And as I'm applying it, I haven't got any transfer on the top. Like I've got eyeshadow on and I haven't got any transfer on there, which is good. And I will say there are no clumps. I can't see any clumps in there, and I think it looks really nice. So I'm just gonna go ahead and do the other eye quickly. So I've got a tiny bit of transfer on the lid of this one, but I feel like that's because I was being a bit careless and I kind of quickly did it. But this is what they are looking like right now. This is what the, obviously, lashes are looking like right now. I will come back at the end of the day and I will show you what the mascara looks like by the time I get back home, and just let you know if it crumbled, if it flaked, anything like that. So I will see you soon. So I'm back after work now, and it's currently now 9:30 at night, obviously, and I forgot to actually show you what time it was before I left, but I do know it was 2:30 because I was late. Back now, and you know what, the mascara has held up really well throughout the day. Hasn't flaked. I haven't found that it kind of sticks my lashes together when I blink or anything, which some mascaras do actually do. I know that L'Oreal Paradise one, I feel like that kind of sticks together a tiny bit, but this one has held together so well. and I really like it. It does genuinely remind me of the Benefit one, so this could be a really good dupe for the Benefit Badgal Bang Mascara. This one is £3 as well, so it's a lot more affordable than the Benefit one. And yeah, I do think it's very good, especially for the price. I do, however, think that if I was like comparing this to the Benefit mascara, I do think that that one volumizes a tiny bit more, but this is still pretty good. Maybe if you added like maybe one more coat, so added like a third layer on, then maybe that'll be fine, but I really like it and I'm definitely going to keep using this mascara. I do think it's pretty good, especially for the price. So yeah, and that is the end of the video, guys, so thank you so much for watching and I hope you enjoyed today's testing video. If you did, then be sure to give the video a thumbs up and also let me know if you tried this mascara or if you want to, if it's available wherever you live. I think it's incredible for the price. Like I said in the video, it really did remind me of the Benefit Badgal Bang Mascara, so that is quite pricey. This is £3. You know, it's got the blue and pink vibe going on, kind of like that. So this, I guess, could be a dupe for it. So thank you again so much for watching. Remember to give the video a thumbs up if you did enjoy it, and make sure that you are subscribed as well so you don't miss a video from me, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. And what, but this one has been waved.